All right, we're out in the shop. Today is the day that we start tearing down the bush hog tractor. So we'll start tearing down and getting all the stuff off it that we don't need. If I get to a point where I got the motor out and stuff, I may try to set that motor in. But we're gonna get the wheels off it and all that and set it down on blocks so it kind of looks low. And I have a couple go-kart tires I can kind of stick under the fenders and get a side shot. But we're gonna get this thing lightened up first. So we'll start pulling off all the non-essentials, wheels, seat. I might get the front axle pulled out of it, and we'll get the rear end pulled out of it, and the motor pulled out of it. So motor will be first, and then we'll go from there. go. Anyway, I just don't think it's going to be the right setup for the speeds I might be heading. That's all. Oh, that the whole, I thought I'd bolt it together again. Okay, that's actually a pretty nice steering setup. I wonder if I could integrate that into a wheel horse. That thing's okay. So I gotta try to get this steering wheel off, I guess. That was not a plan. Let's try to. I mean, it was, but not right now. But I guess we're gonna try it. You know dang well that thing would be probably the worst. Okay. You know this thing. Got a pin. We do have a rack and pinion, brand new, up in the shed. That might be the way to go on this. I don't know. All right, this is going to go away. This is going to be, which is the deck lever originally. This is going to be the new shift lever. So it's going to be like a shifter cart. Yeah, this is going to be a shifter cart. So this will be set in the middle, and it'll be bam, 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 bam. So that'll be cool. Shifter cart action. What the hell that? Oh, that goes to freaking brake light. And they just got it wired up. You definitely don't need a brake light. Not right now. Oh, it's a breakaway to shut it down. It kills it. Okay. I'm gonna take that off this pedal. pulls that. I wonder if that would work as a shift, because I gotta pull a cable. That'd be a lot of throw on a clutch. But push pull, it also applies the brake. Shorten the throw up on that. Here's what I want to do. I'm going to cut that out. I'm going to take this off. I'm going to get that wire out of the way. And basically what I want to do, actually, I got it to here. I'm going to pull that, I'm going to cut that pulley off. That throttle cable is going to go. But I'm going to cut that pulley off. We're going to pull the axle out, the front axle, and then we're going to pull the rear end off it, at least the wheels anyway, and start getting this thing into a point where it's dropped. I feel like I set a camera up and then I step right in the way. Break away. All right, so I'm getting a tear of this rear end out, man. I feel like there was been 100 better ways to do this. Not me, the way this was set up. They got everything, it's bolted and then welded, and then this is welded. It's so much stuff to cut off. I think I need to get this cut. And then there's one over here, get this cut, at least out of the way. Then this will unbolt, this will unbolt. This has got to get cut. Or I can try to drop the rear end off it, I guess. Let's do that and at least just get it out of the way. I can get to these sort of. And I guess just try to drop. Man, I can't believe they only had that by 2 bolts. And they were pulling with it. I don't think there's one up front here. Huh, I'll have to look in there. I got this tore down pretty good. I'm going to shut the camera down. I got to cut. I want to get rid of all this. It's bothering me. I feel like I can't look at things how I want. Get rid of this. I'm going to cut all this off. I might try to pull this plate and then cut off what I decide to. But anyway, I'm going to do that off camera. I don't think we need to see that. Okay. I got the bush hog stripped down. I threw some parts on it. I set the motor in it and put a seat on it and kind of just to get a rendition of it. It's pretty badass.